mag-transfer ng crypto from Trust Wallet to Bybit Exchange. Let's go! For this tutorial, gagamitin ko ang Bybit Coin. Una, dapat meron kang BSC at least 30 pesos. Yan ang magsisilbing gas fee for this transaction. Select the coin. Then, tap on Send. We need to get the receiver's wallet address at ito ay nagsisimula sa OX. Kunin natin ang receiver's wallet address. Open your Bybit app. From Bybit home interface, tap on Deposit. Then, Deposit Crypto. Search the crypto you decide to deposit. For me, it's Bybit Coin. Make sure you select Crypto. Then select. Choose a chain or network type. For this coin is BIP20. Always make sure that both networks are the same or else your deposit will not arrive. Paano ma-verify? Makikita mo yan sa mismong coin gaya ng nakikita mo ngayon sa video. Click on Copy Address. Then back to Trust Wallet. Paste the copied wallet address. Input the coin quantity or simply max to transfer all. Tap Continue. Double check the receiver's address by simply looking at the last digit. Then, confirm and approve transaction. You can tap Transfer to see the status of the transaction. Wait until it completed or a pop-up notification. Once it's completed, check Bybit account to verify our deposit. In your Bybit account, tap on Asset and swipe down to refresh. Boom! My port increases. It means a successful deposit. You can explore on Asset History for additional ideas. Thank you! And that's how you transfer crypto from Trust Wallet to Bybit Exchange. Does this video helps you? Hit the subs and notification bell or more. See you next time.